Hi, we at Alletec are delighted to release this issue of the newsletter. The newsletter includes highlights of last fiscal year. Alletec had another strong year where we reinforced our expertise in Microsoft Business Applications, which includes Dynamic Suite of products, Power Platforms, Data AI, and Azure. We want 30 new customers across a Microsoft technology stack. And these were from 8 different countries, including US, Canada, APAC, and Africa regions. Some of our implementations included innovative use cases, and we did more collaboration and engagements with Microsoft than previous years. So we welcome you to browse through the different sections of the newsletter. It will take roughly 3 to 5 minutes to go through the entire newsletter. So we look forward to collaborating with you to acquire new logos. Happy reading. Thank you.